Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, Mathematics, SSC 1, I mean to say 9th class, chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is Matrices and Determinants, and first I am going to give you the introduction of matrices. Students, the concept of matrices is given by an English mathematician, Arthur Cayley, in 19th century, and the theory of matrices is given in 1858, and matrix is collection of numbers in the form of arrays, I mean to say in the forms of rows and columns, and enclosed by brackets, or you can say that enclosed by square brackets, like there is a matrix A and the entries are 1, 2, 3, 0, -1 and 5. These numbers are written in the form of arrays, I mean to say the numbers are written in the rows and in columns form, and these numbers are enclosed by square brackets or brackets. And keep in mind, students, this sequence will not be broken down. I mean to say, if numbers are written in this form, B is equal to 1, 3, 0, and there is no entry here, so it is not a matrix. So sequence of the number must be kept in mind, and all the numbers are written in the form of rows and columns and then enclosed by square brackets. Then these numbers are called matrix, and the plural of matrix is matrices. Students, the numbers that are written in the form of rows, or you can say that the numbers that are written on line are called rows. So students, this is row as well as this is also row. And the numbers that are written in the horizontal in the vertical forms, these are called columns. The numbers that are written in horizontal form are called row, and the numbers that are written in vertical form are called columns. And the order of the matrix is order of matrix. Students, it is equal to number of rows by numbers of columns. I mean to say the order of matrix A is there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So order of this matrix A is order of matrix A is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means there are 2 rows and 3 columns in matrix A, and this is called order of a matrix. Next is, students, equal matrices. 2 matrices are called equal matrices if their corresponding entries are equal as well as their orders are same. So students, I am going to write 2 matrices. 2 or more than 2. Matrix A is 1, 3, 0 and -5. Matrix B is 1, 0, 3 and -5. Whereas matrix C is 1, 2 plus 1, 1 minus 1 and -6 plus 1. And there is matrix D whose entries are 3, -5, 0 and 1. Sorry, students. Students, now look at the entries. Corresponding entries mean that first entry is equal to first entry, second entry is equal to second entry, third entry will be equal to third entry, and fourth entry will be corresponding with the fourth entry. Now students, look at all the 4 matrices. This matrix is 1, 3, 0 and -5. This matrix is 1, 0, 3 and 5. If you look carefully, all the entries are same. 1, 1, 0, 0, 3, 3, 5, 5. but these two matrices are not equal because their corresponding entries are not equal. Corresponding entries mean that first entry will be compared with the first entry, second entry will be compared with the second entry. So 3 is not equal to 0, so A and B both matrices are not equal. As well as students, look at A and D. Entries are different because here is minus 1 and it is minus 1, so 1 and D is also not equal. But look at C. The first entry of A is 1, whereas the first entry of C is 1, and second entry of matrix A is 3, whereas second entry of matrix C is also 3 because 2 plus 1 means 3. So first entry is equal to first entry, second entry is equal to second entry. And third entry of matrix A is 0, whereas the third entry of matrix C is also 0 because 1 minus 1 means 0. The fourth entry of matrix A is minus 5, whereas the fourth entry of matrix C is minus 6 plus 1 means minus 5. So students, matrix A is equal to matrix C, but none of the other matrices is equal to A or B or C. So there is only two matrices that are equal. So students, equal matrices are the matrices whose corresponding entries are equal. बच्चों, इक्वल मैट्रिसेस वो मैट्रिसेस होते हैं जिनके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंट्री यानी कि पहली एंट्री पहली की इक्वल हो, सेकंड एंट्री सेकंड की इक्वल हो, थर्ड एंट्री थर्ड की इक्वल हो और फोर्थ एंट्री फोर्थ की इक्वल हो, तो फिर आपके जो मैट्रिसेस हैं वो होंगे इक्वल। यानी कि इक्वल मैट्रिसेस के ऑर्डर भी सेम होते हैं और कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंट्रीज भी इक्वल होती हैं, तो बच्चों उनको हम कहते हैं इक्वल मैट्रिसेस। Friends, exercise 1.1, question number 1. Find the order of the following matrices, and part A is matrix A is equal to 2, 3, minus 5 and 6. And students, we have to find order of the matrix, and you know very well that order of a matrix is order of A will be equal to number of rows by number of columns. So students, look at the rows. Rows are the horizontal numbers, and there are two horizontal numbers, there are two horizontal lines. So students, number of rows are 2, whereas number of columns are also 2. So the order of matrix A is 2 by 2. B part is, students, B part is equal to 2, 0, 2, 0, 3 and 5. So students, again we have to find the order of B. So order of matrix B is, there are 2 rows, so 2 by, as well as there are 2 columns, so the order of B is also 2 by 2. Students, C part is 2 and 4. Now students, look, we have to find order of C. Order of matrix C. There is only one row, but there are 2 columns, so the order of this matrix is 1 by 2. Students, keep in mind you have not to put the lines because I am just explaining it. That's why I am putting the lines. You have just to write number of rows by number of columns. बच्चों, आपने ये लाइंस नहीं लगानी क्योंकि ये जो लाइंस लगाई हैं ये मैंने आपको रोज बताने के लिए और फिर कॉलम्स बताने के लिए लगाई हैं। तो जब आपने इन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करना है तो आपने ये लाइनें नहीं लगाई। स्टूडेंट्स, डी मैट्रिक्स डी है बच्चों, उसकी एंट्रीज हैं 4, 0 and 6. Now students, look at the rows. There are, students, 3 rows, and look at the column. There is only 1 column, so the order of matrix D is 3 by 1. Students, E part is A, D, B, E and C, F, and we have to find order of this matrix. So students, order of this matrix will be, there are, students, 3 rows, 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 rows and there are only 2 columns. So the order of matrix C is 3 by 2. Look at students part F, and we have to find order of this matrix. There is only one row as well as there is only one column. So the order of matrix F will be one by one. Now students, look at matrix G. There are students 3 rows as well as there are 3 columns. So when we find order of a matrix, first we have to write number of rows. So there are 3 number of rows as well as there are 3 number of columns. So the order of G is 3 by 3. Whereas the order of H part is, there are students 2 rows and 3 columns. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 3. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.